UAVS stock analysis and UAVS stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Which this will make a video till the end to find out. Especially looking at Ageagle Aerial Systems with a $1.31 level. Oh, it's solid, man, for sure. Let's go weekly chart. Beforehand, I was just looking to take it further down to continue with the flow. That was such a great color because, you know, it just kept melting. And here is that proof. It was sitting at $2.54 4 months back. So nice. I mean, it was, yeah, since 254, now we're at 131. Kind of started breaking up. Well, most of the times these things die, like these movements die out. And I'm trying to capitalize on that if it does manage to die out. Well, currently it's in a bullish range, but it's just me assuming now, so that's why I just need to wait for to see what the price is going to give me. If it starts pumping, definitely just following it with the bullish side, but here if there's double break, sell it is. So I just need more data at the end of the day, more candles to appear, more time must pass. If you want to learn how to make you 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free email.